Today, we're diving into a winter tire showdown between two titans in the studless category, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 and the newly launched 2024 Continental VikingContact 8. With its predecessor, the VikingContact 7, earning multiple press test wins, the VikingContact 8 has a lot to live up to, but can it take on the well-established Hakkapeliitta R5? Let's find out. Throughout this comparison, you'll see performance metrics represented in percentages, with the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 set as the reference point at 100%. When it comes to ice performance, both tires are strong contenders. The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 leads in ice braking, stopping 0.6 meters shorter than the VikingContact 8. It also excels in ice acceleration, completing the test faster by 0.43 seconds. However, the VikingContact 8 claims victory in ice handling, completing the lap 0.4 seconds quicker than the Nokian. In snowy conditions, the Nokian continues to impress with slightly better snow braking, stopping 0.26 meters shorter than the VikingContact 8. Snow acceleration, it's almost neck and neck with just a 0.01 second difference between the two, and in snow handling, we see a tie, with both tires delivering the same lap time. Where the VikingContact 8 really shines is in wet performance. It stops 1.82 meters shorter than the Nokian in wet braking and finishes the wet handling lap 0.5 seconds faster, while in aquaplaning resistance, both tires hold steady with the same top speed, so it's a draw in that department. In dry conditions, the VikingContact 8 edges out the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5, stopping 0.15 meters shorter in dry braking and offering better handling feel with a subjective score of 4 out of 5 compared to Nokian's score of 3. When it comes to noise, the VikingContact 8 is marginally quieter, registering 67.4 decibels compared to Nokian's 68.1 decibels. For fuel consumption, both tires perform equally, consuming 5.3 liters per 100 kilometers, so no clear winner here. So, which tire should you choose? The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 excels in ice and snow braking, making it perfect for those who regularly face harsh winter conditions. On the other hand, the Continental VikingContact 8 excels in ice handling, wet and dry performances, providing a tire with a more versatile option. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.